Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new, I'm Rebecca. Today I wanted to do an unboxing video with you for an attachment for my Bosch Universal Plus Mixer. I've been waiting for this item to come in stock for a long time and it finally did. So I purchased it. I was hoping it would come in time so we could go over the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals with NutriMill and Bosch, but it just arrived, so I thought I would do the unboxing video and show you this really cool attachment for that mixer. Now, if you were not able to take advantage of the Black Friday or through Cyber Monday deals for NutriMill and Bosch, you can still get a great discount by following the link in the description box and entering the promo code The Home and Homestead, and that'll get you $20 off your purchase. If you follow the link, it should put the promo code in automatically, but if not, that's the one you would type in. So let's dive right into this unboxing. So what I have here is the large slicer shredder attachment, and this goes onto the Bosch Universal Plus Mixer or the NutriMill Artiste. So how this works is this will go on top of the mixer instead of its cover, and then you will have a nice large capacity bowl for slicing, shredding, and even a nice grating. So in this box, there's a slicing disc, which is reversible for a thick and thin slice, a shredding disc, which is reversible for a thick and thin shred, as well as a grating disc that does a nice fine grating, and it says you can also use this for shaved ice. Then of course you have the actual attachment component, and then the item for pushing down whatever you want to put through the slicer and shredder. So let's open the box. And we'll get the pieces out here. Alright, so here we have everything that was in the box. So it comes with an assembly guide and a quick start guide. So in these two little bags are the coupling pieces. This one is for an older Bosch Universal kitchen machine with the item number. These are machines purchased usually before 2009. You'll use that with these two pieces, or if you have the current one, the current Universal Plus machine or the NutriMill Artiste, you'd use the longer coupling piece with these two small pieces. And I'll show you how to assemble that later. This also has the main hub with the pusher for sliding down whatever you like to advance to be sliced or shredded or grated. And this is the splash ring, which will go onto your Bosch Universal Plus as well as the NutriMill Artiste Mixer. And here we have the slicer blade, which has a thick or thin. It's reversible. Here's the shredding blade disc, which has a large or small or coarse or fine shred. And here is the grating disc. You can do a nice fine grate. Now these are very sharp, and I think what I'm going to do is keep the tissue paper and bag that came with each of these for storing them. The slicer blade had a tape or film on each of the blades on both sides, so I did remove that. So be sure that you remove those before using that disc attachment. So now let's assemble this attachment onto the Bosch mixing bowl. I have the Universal Plus, so I brought the mixing bowl here so we can assemble that together as well. Alright, so here we have my Bosch Universal Plus mixing bowl. So now I'm going to assemble the large slicer shredder mixer attachment to the bowl. So first, on the chute component, we're going to put the drive pin. So it's this longer gray piece that was in with these other ones in the little baggie. I'm just going to slide it into the bottom of that chute attachment piece. Now to the actual bowl, we're going to attach the pieces to the drive. So we have the coupling, and again, this is the newer version. If you have the older version, use the other coupling piece. And you're just going to put this right over the drive. And it slides right over. And then we'll place the disc driver onto the top of that. Now we can attach the splash ring. So we'll put this onto the bowl, we'll line it up. little grooves and lock it into place. And we'll add that shredding disc so it just fits over the shape of your disc driver. This is what will move your discs when using this. And we'll just lock it in place. And now this is all ready to go onto my mixer. I can do some shredding, or maybe shredding a large quantity of cheese or some other items as well. And if I pair this up with my NutriMill grain mill, I can make all different kinds of flours. So I'm looking forward to using this with my baking projects coming up. A few things to note with this splash guard, or the clear piece in here that the chute attachment kind of locks into place with, this is not dishwasher safe. Everything else is. So the metal pieces, these gray plastic pieces, those are all dishwasher safe. This clear one is not. So you want to hand wash that. That can warp in the dishwasher. If you find that when you have this all assembled and it doesn't quite want to lock into place, just make sure that this first coupling piece is seated down nicely. If you look on the bottom, there's a little cross pattern to it, and that'll go down over these little pegs for your drive shaft. Just make sure it seats down nicely. Then it should all come together and snap into place really easily. Just like that. So let me disassemble this again, and we can go over what's included with a large slicer shredder mixer attachment from NutriMill for the Bosch and NutriMill mixers. Alright, well here we have the NutriMill large slicer shredder mixer attachment. This will work on the Bosch Universal Plus or NutriMill Artiste. And with the two coupling pieces that they provide with this attachment, you can also use this on your older Bosch mixers, which I think is a nice feature. One thing to note, when I was going through the manual here, this little drive pin, if you find that while you're using this product it is really squeaky, they said to put some food grade oil on that, and that should help with that squeaking noise. So with this attachment you get a fine and thick slicer, a fine and coarse shredder, as well as a grating disc. So this may help to eliminate another appliance in your kitchen, or if your food processor is starting to show wear, maybe this attachment will be a nice replacement for that as well. So if you have the Bosch or NutriMill mixers, this might be a great attachment for it, and if not, this might be a nice gift item to think of for someone who enjoys baking. If you'd like more ideas or inspiration on baking recipes and larger batch baking that I use my NutriMill and Bosch products, be sure to check out my baking and in the oven playlist, as well as a number of different unboxing videos I have on that playlist as well. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button below and continue to watch my channel, The Home and Homestead, for some more homemade, homegrown, and home style inspiration. Well, I surely hope that you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.